We are Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. I am Christina. This is Cindy. I'm a speech therapist. Cindy's a physical therapist. If you are just joining us, we're talking about 5 tips to prepare for hip replacement surgery. We are on tip number 4 already, Cindy.
Yeah.
Tip number 4. And tip number 4 is secure your support system. Tell us about that, Cindy.
So you want to know from the doctor, about how long will it be before I drive. Usually the return visit to the doctor is about 2 weeks after surgery.
Okay.
So it's going to be at least that long.
Yeah.
And of course, if you're on pain medicine, they're not going to want you to drive.
Right.
But you want your support system. You want to know, am I going to have home health? If you have a family member that's going to be there, to do things like collect the mail or help with food, things like that.
Yeah, feed your pets.
That's right, feed your pets. If you do not have that support system, then you need to prepare ahead of time. Get groceries, get some frozen meals that you can pop into the microwave.
Stock up on toilet paper.
Stock up on toilet paper, yes. Figure out how it is that if you have pets, how are you going to let them out? If it's a dog, how are you going to, scoop the kitty litter box and things like that. It's always wise to have some sort of support.
Yeah.
But I've had clients in the past that haven't.
Yeah.
And they've set up, a deal with the post person that'll bring the mail right up to the door, and they've prepared ahead of time with like I said, the frozen meals and the extra toilet paper and things like that. So you just really want to think about the circumstances.
Absolutely. Or is there a home health aide program that you might qualify for, that you might want to check into if you don't have friends and family close by.
Right.
Check into something like that.
Right. And to do that, if you don't know where to start, you may want to try your area agency on aging.
Yeah. That's a good one.
That's you can find yours on our website at aecorner.com on our resource page.
Yep.
Put in your zip code. It'll tell you your area agency on aging. But they are a wealth of information. They can tell you, try to see if you can get qualified for programs if you need that, or just at least give you some information on where to start.